And best believe, if you think you can run and hide.
What's up, G-Way? In the cut with my twin, we be vibing.
Your mother would not like me.
And I left for them so we can't do it. Now give up my name.
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Burritos, this is a treat. We have really things for talk about. I know no one for hear about Drew and all kind of scammer alerts, something there. But honestly, we have other topics. So hopefully you can just relax, get ready to enjoy another week of the social media countdown. Get ready for the dance.
Dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Elaine and Shelly reunite. Burritos. You don't hear what did that go on with Elaine Thompson-Herah, recently, the last couple of days, with she and her husband. People are trying to wonder, like, who is going to coach her. She tried for work with Shanika. Shanika must have said she want more money and all of these things. So Elaine had to just do a little walk up around. She was really doing the Millie challenge, looking around to see who would be a suitable candidate, who will be the suitable coach that would lead her into next year's Olympic Games. And it looked like she find somebody, because this person have her going right back to her MVP days. Yes! So let me just go and give you the information according to Nationwide News. So Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah and the woman she succeeded as Olympic champion in 2016, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, are back in the same camp. So Thompson-Herah's management and the sports has revealed that Thompson-Herah will now be coached by Renardo Walcott, who is also in charge of Fraser-Pryce at the Elite Track Club. And if you remember, back in the day, Elaine Thompson and Shelly-Ann Fraser, they were under the Stephen Francis MVP camp before Fraser-Pryce decided to leave in 2020. So them have history, they've worked together. Back we hear little allegations and speculations say them never did really work well under the camp because maybe it was just too much gold medals, too much empowerment and too much energy behind the coach, and so them therefore go their separate ways. But let's just see how this will turn out. Burritos, do you think it will actually make the ladies just bring them A game, especially ahead of the Olympics next year? Sound off below.
Olympic double sprint champ Elaine Thompson-Herah is not about to become a member of Elite Track Club and will have just a direct coaching setup personally with Ronaldo Walcott, who is head of Elite. The arrangement means that Thompson-Herah will not be training with the group.
Number 9, Alice forgiveness. Me Krabby Patty. Okay, Burritos know. So, I know the Alice situation right now. You have Alice and you have Nadine, who was the whistleblower in the whole Hero Circle Crab vendor viral situation. Well, I reported last time and shared that, Alice, did not go for training. She felt she already had all of her cooking skills needed, and so she decided to not participate in the Heart training program. Me never really take so kindly to that, but what me not like is this idea that the woman go outside out of her job now, like, doing what she knows to do for a living and what she has been doing for 30 years. And so even Nadine is quote unquote coming to plead the case for her in this interview with the Jamaica Star, where she actually says that she is hoping that the public will forgive Alice, and that she did not know that the mayor did not want Alice to return, that she in fact thought that it would have been a-okay. And what was also important, she actually shared that she did not show up to the training as well, because you know, as I reported, 2 people never show up, so it looked like the two people them in all of this controversy decided to not participate in the training. And so I think Alice had said that she was just like, she didn't worry about her safety, and so she was just taking certain precautions, and ultimately I feel as if that is somewhat understandable. And so, you know, she's also stated that she has signed up to do the training with Heart, and she will be proceeding with that. And so she's saying that, you know, she still expect to show up to the launch, to the opening on the 23rd of November, but she's still kind of skeptic, you know, so she's still kind of worried about certain things. And I'm going to just share what she added in this Jamaica Star article. So Nadine shared that I still feel a way for go up there, but you know, me not do nothing wrong, Francis said. You know, if tell you the truth, everybody have to eat food, but at the same time, what did happen, it never right. Sometimes when you see things wrong, sometimes you have to strong up and stand up still, you know, and make God sort that out. Well, Nadine, no shame in your game, and I have nothing to be ashamed about. The only thing is that I actually want Alice to still be able to go back and do her job, but you have to show some remorse, man, and show so you actually respect your profession, you respect your craft. That is all, you know, Alice. Just come from a place of, you know, humility and sincerity, and the public will forgive you. But you have to just let go the ego and that, man, and the public will forgive you. And maybe the mayor will have a change of opinion. But yeah, that is just that, you know, Alice. Why? Sound off what you think of this situation, Burritos. Number 8, KFC, Trey Saf, me cussing match. Burritos, honestly, what is with Jamaican people and cussing and fighting and arguing at these fast food establishments? So in this no viral video, a cashier was seen, you know, having a war of words with a customer, and people, it never pretty. It's something I've bought 3 different rounds. Take a listen.
Wait for it. Watch to the end.
You know, honestly, like, if I then behave, you're like, first of all, why are you cussing with somebody who's probably in charge of preparing your food, or can go tell somebody certain things? Like, there's certain little joke, me not really playing, like, you don't really cuss people where you want them to share out your food for. You kind of just hold them out until you get the food, you can do all of your lashings. But this sounds as if it was personal. Like, clearly this argument that come from whichever yard, or whichever street, or whichever lane, and it was brought into the Kingston, the Kentucky Fried Chicken. This just never look good at all. Like, hope me know the woman probably lose her job. This woman show up here, and the way how you reacted, it might cost you your job. And so hopefully you're still employed, because we don't know if you have picnic and them look something there for go take care of. But you can't behave like this. No matter how the customer go on, you have to go show some level of decorum and self-control. But you know, ultimately the customers them stop show up to the fast food establishments and take out the problem on the people them. It is understandable if you probably vex, you have to wait for a certain time, but you have to treat the people them like my human beings too. They are people. You wouldn't want nobody if you talk to you at your place of employment, so treat the people them with respect. That is all. Okay, Burritos, one word to describe this video that you saw. Number 7, DeMarco, the producer. Okay, Burritos now, so you know a dancehall artist, DeMarco, but you know, him have hits on top of hits in a dancehall, you know, but the man is not just legendary for his iconic dancehall anthems. He also has a very impressive catalog as a producer. Just take a listen to some of his hits.
Create the beats. So you have beats like Party Animal, Charlie Black's Party Animal, Mission Rhythm with Mavado, I'm on the Rock. You know what I mean? Shootout Rhythm, you know, DeMarco, Duppy know who for frighten. fallen soldiers. DeMarco, fallen soldiers. The list goes on and on. Cartel. Squeeze. When me squeeze it in a face, boy, dead. Cartel, Beyonce wine, me and Jam do. You put it by. Give me Beyonce wine. Cartel and Spice. Me play most of the phrase.
She can turn back wheels.
Can't take the pressure cause the pum pum bo. Pala. You have Cartel again when me play most of the phrase them again. Baby, why not? Y'all body wicked in a bed. Cartel, wait name. It's gonna take a miracle with me and Cartel.
Okay.
Wow. No, honestly, DeMarco, like, me never know. Me know some of them songs, but me never know. See, I saw you prolific behind the scenes like that. And so, thank you very much, Nigos, for actually bringing this to the forefront in this, conversation. And so, hopefully, more people can, put some added respect to DeMarco's name. Number 6, farting disaster.
Somebody just poop. Nobody no more want it. Everybody just a look.
Okay, Berry does now. Honestly, like, this is a story for the books. Can you believe it that people end up in a fighting, end up in a war over a little flatulation? A little... That poop, fart, Jesus and Pim. Thank you, Father God. They say me reach a big somebody know. Because one time I could say them something, my mother would have a problem. I could not say the word fart. I could say my leg one poop. I had to literally say flatulate. I would be like, excuse me, I want to flatulate. Can you believe it? Little pitney now, I have to use the word flatulate. And my grandmother would have insist that I use the word preps. Like, when you're preps, I'm going to take a little preps. What kind of little something that I could use the word fart? It's the actual word. Anyway, back to the story. So, I book up this in a Jamaica style, because you know them always have the little railway story them. So, a municipal officer, by the name of Elaine, right? Them there at the office. And so they were there, him in at the office now, and apparently him there at the office and I stink up the officer. So the officer just walk around and I poop, left, right, and center, poop. I saw the officer walk around when the complainant, he heard this now and he was just quite upset. He was saying, no man, brother, oh if you move around the place, there's a flatulate left, right, and center, so people are eating, no man. Oh, you have to do this. So when him a go on, so now he went to couple of the other co-workers them now, and I say, you know, that's why I really not like certain work, Because look how Allen over there just pop up the place with no regard. People there and just a fart, and look how he think. I saw him that they are going on, so he was there talking to the co-workers. So when Allen know who was the one that had the pooping, him never liked that at all. So him get up in a fee himself now and decides that he's going to lash out on the complainant now. And what he did, whooping at the brother face. Whoop, go around here again. The brother get injuries over him, neck, my head, my shoulder. For the brother toes them. The brother was just injured all over. So the brother carry the brother to court right there. Took him to court over the flatulation issue. And so while they're the judge, them are trying to, solve everything now. So them they recommend a mediator. The complainant never want that because never thinks that them would agree. But eventually, the mediator jumped in and they were able to come to some sort of solution, right? But what the complainant says is that the brother who was doing the farting, aka Mr. Allen, him never show no remorse. Him never business. Him just there walk about and think up the place. And so right now, Berry doesn't know. All I'm going to leave you with is to just remember this quote from the great Nanny of the Maroons, okay? And it says, fart responsibly. I thank you.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Tristan. Jolene Johnson.
Number 5, Rebel look alike. Me twins of twins. Okay, my readers know. So, Dancing Rebel recently revealed her look alike on social media. But this person might be familiar to many of us if you really follow up with the Instagram and the TikTok and all of these things. So there is a content creator by the name of Anada Anthana, and she is known for her excellent makeup artistry. Like, she is just so talented. Honestly, with the fair makeup, she can do a whole entire shape shifting with her facial, you know, construction and all of these things. So she is known for basically using makeup to just transform into different artists, and she put out these creative videos, you know, performing their songs, and it just always shell. So recently she decided to just make a transition, do a bit of a makeover into the popular Jamaican dancer, dancing rebel, as well as her rebel look and craft look. And people, she nailed it. She killed it. Like, honestly, this girl, I don't know what you need to go up. You need to go up on some sort of show. Right now, like, you need to just go try see if you can do all the national heroes, them the way you're impressive. Maybe you can do all Paul Bogle or St. Thomas or whatever the name. Because, you know, sometimes some other country shares Paul Bogles, but really, yeah, I just left there one day. Also, look at the video and listen to the voice in the background because it might sound familiar.
So that means so when you're quit them different.
Tight.
Jesus Christ.
Bleaky.
Anybody who left you now gonna forget you.
Cannot.
Excelente. But yeah, take a look at the video with her and Rebel. Just in case of YouTube copyright, I just have to sing over the song, so just work with me. Papa, Lika, Dika, Shika, Nika, make it nice and slicker, and run, wicka, Nika, Lika, oh, just never gonna hear his sound. You wanna eat and you're going on. Don't get a mad femino, head top femino, make your money and top tinino, pony anyone else and antinino. Okay, hopefully that is how the song went. Burritos, let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how well did she nail the rebel and craft look? Sound off below. Number 4, Whisper T Thin. Okay, readers know. So this has sparked quite a debate on social media. So you know, Dujan Whisper Richards, I hope I get his name correctly, right? Yes, man, the 18-year-old footballer recruited by Chelsea, all kind of things, you know, reggae boys, or all of these things. The brother has such an impressive start to his career, and him don't even reach 20 yet. And so, you know, he's making bank. He's making some good, proper money. Well, you know, some good money, especially for his age. And so, but that is not what is causing the controversy, or is it the controversy? Sound off in the comments, okay? You know, man, it's just in the moment right now. And so, you know, he recently went to the Tooth Palace. If you don't know the Tooth Palace, is this brother who, I don't know if he's like an ortho or a dentist, but like he have a business. He is a hustler. And he deal with teeth. You know, like people who want to put in the veneers and all kind of things, because you know, everybody want to walk around and look like the mask now, it is the new in thing. And so he have a business where kind of do that. And so Dujan showed up to film place.
Jamaican football star just checking at the palace.
Can I see?
And so many people on social media is like, Mr. Whisper, come here, let me whisper a little prayer in the morning to you. You know, you have money, I make real money, you know, you don't have to really go on one little, you know, you could have go somewhere legit and go get it professionally done on all of these things. And so that was the concern. And some people, you know, they just say like businesses like this should be shut down. Other people was just like, you know, make him do it if he want to support a youth, make him support a youth. And you know, ultimately I'm just like, listen, Whisper him making money. If him the all want go street side, if him the want go matches late, if they want go Princess Street and wherever go make one random somebody where walk up and down with barefoot, go and fix him teeth, it is fame prerogative. Sure, we can look and be like, we have all rights to, but just make him do him thing. If him not right next month, Him have the money to go and fix it. He's 18 and maybe him just look on it and I say, yo, I see a look in the streets youth, I do him look business. You're not really business, but procedure and them look something. They're 18 ah. You have to help out another try and get a youth. So maybe that is the mentality and I say, well, instead of go take the money and go put in a one of them little uptown elite pocket there, but I'm going to get to one little youth where I try him things. Sure, him might not have a little degree and a little something there, but he might try. He might try. And that may be just the whisper. Yeah. So just allow the youth. I just saw him go to teeth. It look cool. It look cool. Yeah, man, that is it, man. All right. Sound off below your thoughts, Burritos. Number 3, Millie Walk. No, Burritos, no. Honestly, like, I was supposed to talk about this long time ago, but we just never get around to do it. So I don't know if you know about Michael Millwood. Yeah, man, big contractor and all of these things. Millionaire, money, pan top of money. If you don't know them, man, yeah, you don't know Ribbies and them little places. Like, you don't know they get yeah. Michael Millwood, Money Mike, as he's so called, and so he has been, just burning up the social media streets, with himself posting videos of him just walking around different locations, and it has sparked a new trend called the Money Mike trend, where all you have to do is just walk around, you just touch things, you just look, you don't really do not much in a particular, you just walk around and show off your location. Take a look. And so, after doing these videos, especially to the Ciara and the Chris Brown song, How We Roll, several other social media started to try the challenge of their own. And in the middle of all of this, Mr. Michael Millwood, Money Mike, he even got the attention of dancehall artist Mr. Vegas, and though there is a Money Mike walk song, take a look.
Give me your walk like Money Mike, watch me your prof like Money Mike. Me no too take talk, and my money right. I mean no look, y'all we go catch a night. Give me your Money Mike,
Yes, so me tell you about social media. You know how long the brother have him career and making money and all of these things now, and just look at us him, him being a big man and able for go viral like this. So you see, people, just put yourself out there on social media, because it might actually be a launching pad for other people to discover who you are, because many people jump in and I'm like, Lord God thinks I just want to look a regular random elder and not really knowing his background and say he's not new to this, he's true to this. Okay, so Burritos, let me know, have you tried the Money Mike challenge as yet? Sound off below. This is how we roll. Oh, I forgot a green screen. I can't really walk now. Oh, God.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
Okay, so first up on the Big Up segment, I have to go and big up Sharika Jackson on her honorary degree from the University of Technology. Also have to go and big up Miss Jamaica Jordan Levy on securing the 10th place spot at this year's Miss Universe competition. Yeah, man, you represented Jamaica. It's just a pity say you never reached to the top 10, because I know you would have killed them further on. So, that is just it. Number 2, rain gone viral. Okay, Burritos now, so I know about the little one bag of rain, them, the heavy rains that was just like attacking Jamaica few days ago. Luckily it gone now, and so the little flooding kind of eased down, and so hopefully no more cars are affected, because some of them videos there, like, boy oh boy, it was crazy. I did a video about it, so if you haven't seen it, please go and check it out up here. But now I'm going to talk about some of the other moments them that were quite just fun / hilarious. So I see this video now with them two women here who in the middle of the rain them decide to have a whole race off with 2 buckle cock. Like, take a look, man.
Potato pudding on the go, and here comes potato pudding and potato
Why me always miss out of them little fun activities there? Me just in my room. Yeah, like me I no close, me like close, Burritos, me and uno close, but me just realize like I can't really share like certain like rain, like I can't talk, I can't, the show come out too early, I can't say them something right here, so. Like maybe next 3 years I them something will build a closer band, I can like, you know, I can tell you the things there, but for now, I have to just kind of keep it, you know, I have to just keep it like on a little level, you know, understand what I say? Okay. But anyway, all right, so, you know, so I saw, you know, this video and it was just quite hilarious, and I also saw another video now, and this is from a social media content creator, Evie Royal, and this brother, him just don't miss. Him no miss, you can tell say him grow with like great grandfather, not even grandfather, him grow with like all, like Sam Sharp descendants them, like him have the real serious traditional country experiences, and he's just so good at capturing it, you know, within his like creative content. Just take a look.
Say what I borrowed and flood out. Eh? Say what I borrowed and flood out, and what out in this, I'm supposed to go take my pan for my
Daddy, me can't come
Don't
outside.
come out here, don't come out here. First thing I went rain and fall out water in the house. The drum there so full and nobody, not even say they take one bucket and come choke the water and put in another drum. So this a drum you can't catch. More water, everybody does in a house. Sleep. And they pan tick tock. And the gutter no clean, and everybody does in the yard, wrap up in a bed, and the gutter no clean, and when the rain start, pour and water start coming for a window. Everybody a mash up about things, a mash up. You see how they slap this here? There ain't a rain a clean, no gutter. Come here, see how water coming at my room, so you see that? Gutter black up. I should have left you and make the whole yard flood out.
Big up yourself, you know, Evie Royal. And so, Berritos, just let me know, were you enjoying the weather, or you prefer like when the sun is shining and you can just go out and do your things them? Sound off below. Alright, Berritos, so this is a fresh breaking story that I'm actually going to do a video and jump down into the whole, you know, bulk of the situation. We don't know, but we know you don't want to hear it, so let me just give you a quick rundown. So this has to do with a scammer alert that was put out on social media by Shaquille. Now, his social media name is SRT Life. Shaq name is Shaquille Hinkson, and he is a NYC Miami entrepreneur marketing genius. He looked like Senna Ramesh Entertainment alone. And so today he posted this picture on his Instagram with the title Scammer Alert, and he began to detail that Karika Dunn and his girlfriend Drew Michelle stole 82,000 USD from his PayPal account, and he alleges that they pretended to be an officer of a Facebook marketing service from Dunn's Design Marketing, and he said that the service was never received. He went on to say that these two scammers somehow got into his account and was sending themselves money every week and using it to travel the world and purchase luxury items. He stated, and I quote, "When I finally found out that they were stealing money out of my accounts, I confronted them demanding my money back, which was never returned. To all business owners out there, be careful of these two scammers going around to different businesses offering a marketing service you will never get." Now, the post has over 100,000 likes and over 700 comments. And so, people, this has just been going viral on Instagram. There has been several conversations being held on TikTok. It has even reached over to TikTok, people chiming in and commenting. And so, why this story has so much like levels to it is because, you know, the name Duns, that is other name them in Jamaica where them build an empire. His name is brought up into it, as well as Drew Drusella. You know her from, you know, being Chad Loach's brother. Her mother is Dr. Michelle Pernell Charles' granddaughter, you know, all of that. So she has a political background connected to all of these things with influencers, the uptown elite. And so this story is going to be seen as, wow, it looked like said just certain people chop. Look like everybody a chop, especially uptown. And so I'm just very eager to see how this will play out, because so far there has not been an official statement from, you know, Drew. There has not been an official statement from Mr. Dunn. And so it has just been Shaquille on social media just airing them out. He started to tag Chad Lucci, tag Drew's best friend, you know, like friends such as Lee Not Nice. All of these people, the brother even took it as far as to go and tag the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. And so, you know, I'm just watching to see how this will play out, because, you know, sure, the mix-up of it and the Ray, but at the end of the day, like, this has just so many turns and valid speaks and valid to this story. But I will be breaking it down for you, further, further in the week. So if you want to hear the breakdown of the entire scammer situation, just leave a comment down below and just put the word, don't put the word scam. Put the word, done. No, don't do that. Jesus Christ. Just put the word, talk it. Just put talk it. Talk it in the comments and I will do a video about this burrito.
This is original coffee and you're watching the Dutty Berry Show. Dutty Berry are coming like a rapture. Yeah.
And number one goes to 450 challenge. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to the 450 challenge. And you know who me I talk about already. You know who me I talk about already. Anyway, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. It is all about Money's 450 Wild and Rich challenge. So, dancehall artist 450, he recently put out an open mic challenge for people, just social media users to jump in and to add a verse to his song Wild and Rich. This is just for entertainment, just for fun and vibes and to, market the song. And so several people jumped in, them do them verse and all kind of things, but people, none of them no compare or went as viral as to when Money the Best decided to chime in and to, give her verse a go. Just brace yourself, just take a listen.
Don't leave me, baby. I want you, baby. Like, your mother would have liked me. Your mother would have liked me. Like, we look good together. I want you, so want me back, sir. Yeah. Murder. Can't start with the mama. When I take it, and you want to.
And the murder! Yo, it is the murder for me. The murder does honestly just take the cake. Like, honestly, I just love how she doesn't look like she in tuned. Like, she knows that the song is going to be number one on the Billboard. It's going to get one Grammy. It's going to get one Oscar, all of these things for best score and all of these, something there. She did very, firm in her vocals and her delivery. Like, she never have no hesitation. She never did that itch. She knew what she was capable of. And so when she laid that down on the track, my girl was just like, all right then, yeah. Come know this at, but boy, Money, no man. But you put out your passion. We felt it. We can't hear it again.
Would have liked me. Your mother would have liked me. Like, we look good together. I want you, so want me back, sir. Yeah. Murder. Can't stop with the
No, honestly, 450, I think you just might need to make her join up on stage one time. Just look one time. Feel like a special guest performance because they're single there. Shell. Well, that's it in the burritos. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. If you enjoyed it, we know you enjoyed. Come on. Please hit the thumbs up button, okay? You know what, me just make this going on one take. As well as to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and your family, as well as to subscribe, because I'm still aiming for that 300,000 subscriber mark. Once you have done so, follow me on my social media at DuttyBerryShow, Facebook, Instagram, X, Snapchat, all over, on TikTok as well. To advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.